Justice Maqbool Bakar Saab, Honorable Dr. Asim Hussain, Chancellor Ziauddin University, Senator Masroor Ehsan Saab, our guest of honor, Pirzada Qasim Saab, Dr. Nida Hussain, Pro-Chancellor, Ziauddin University, Professor Dr. Abbas Zafar, Vice-Chancellor, Ziauddin University, members of the Board of Governors, respected faculty, graduating students, proud parents, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to you all. It's indeed a profound honor and a privilege to address you on this momentous occasion, the Convocation 2025 of the Ziauddin University. Today marks a significant milestone celebrating years of hard work, perseverance, and personal growth. At the outset, I extend my warmest congratulations to the graduating students, their families, and all those who supported them along the way. This day is not only about academic achievement, it is a tribute to dedication, to the sacrifices made, and to the resilience demonstrated by each of you. To the parents and guardians, I salute your trust and unwavering support. Your belief in your children and this esteemed institution has been the foundation upon which these bright futures are built. To the graduates, this is your moment of triumph. You have faced challenges, overcome adversity, and today you stand ready to shape the future with confidence, integrity, and purpose. I urge you to hold on to the friendship values and memories formed here. They will serve as a compass throughout your life. As you stepped into the world beyond these walls, do so with a strong sense of responsibility, not just to yourself, but to your parents, to your communities, to your country, and to humanity at large. Let your goals be ambitious, your purpose noble, and your actions impactful. Strive not just for success, but for significance. Today, it is also a fitting moment to reflect on the extraordinary journey of Ziauddin University, an institution that has earned national recognition for excellence in education and healthcare. The legacy is built on the vision and leadership of Dr. Asim Hussain, who's carried forward the proud heritage of his grandfather, the late Dr. Sir Ziauddin Ahmed, a towering figure in the educational history of the subcontinent. From its humble beginnings as a maternity home founded by his parents, the late Dr. Ejaz Fatma and Dr. Tajammul Hussain, this institution has grown into a network of 5 hospitals, including 3 tertiary care centers, serving the healthcare needs of communities across Sindh. Under Dr. Asim Hussein's stewardship, Ziauddin University has evolved into a premier institution of higher learning and innovation. The Education City campus, where we gather today, symbolizes a bold step forward, embodying progress, modernity, and a commitment to accessible education for all youths of Sindh and beyond. Further extending this vision, the inauguration of the Sakkar campus by Honorable President of Pakistan, Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, stands as another major milestone. It demonstrates Ziauddin University's dedication to bringing world-class education and healthcare to rural Sindh, making Sakkar an emerging hub of academic and medical excellence. I sincerely hope that the esteemed team of Dr. Ziauddin University will continue their invaluable contribution to the education and healthcare in Pakistan with the same passion and commitment. The legacy already speaks volumes, and I am confident that it will continue to inspire generations. The Government of Sindh remains committed to supporting educational institutions and initiatives that prioritize knowledge, research, and community welfare. We understand the crucial role that universities like Ziauddin play in shaping leaders of tomorrow and building a progressive knowledge-based society. While we were sitting here, Dr. Asim Hussain had told me about his plans for the neurosciences, neuropsychology initiative that Ziauddin now has. I assure you, Dr. Saab, you will have the fullest cooperation of the government of Sindh, and we would also like to pitch in and contribute to this venture, which will go to benefit the people of Sindh and the people of Pakistan. Now, the reason why we are here today, the graduating students of 2024. Once again, I offer my heartfelt congratulations to you. Remember the values your alma mater has instilled in you: integrity, service, and excellence. Whatever path you choose, measure your success not just by personal achievements, but by the difference you make in the lives of others. Make your university proud, make your families proud, and above all, make your country proud. In closing, I extend my sincere appreciation to the Chancellor, Pro-Chancellor and Vice-Chancellor, faculty and the entire administration of Ziauddin University for their unwavering commitment to shaping the minds of the future leaders. I also congratulate the proud parents who must have sacrificed a lot in making sure that their children go through the top-class education that they've received in Ziauddin. And I'm sure that the students here would always remember the sacrifices, the interest that the parents have shown in the success, and they will also always remember the faculty, the teachers who've shaped them into what you've shaped yours into what you're today. And I urge you to please come back and contribute to this university whenever you have a chance. It can be once you've got your higher education, you can come back and teach here, you can make contributions for the betterment of this university, and inshallah, Ziauddin University would further educate and train our younger generation, and inshallah, all the students will shine brighter. May Ziauddin University continue to grow, inspire, and lead in the years to come. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.